what we call a nailer. Something I could nail into and press it against the outside wall there. Try not to screw. Try not to screw all the way through. Kind of difficult with a 3-incher, but we're gonna try it. Something like that.
What'd you say you called that?
A nailer.
A nailer?
Yeah. That's what I call it. It's something to nail to. Since this wall is hollow, right where my post needs to be, I need something to nail into right here to secure it. So this is my nailer to nail into for my postie. This guy right here.